So, does anyone know why it's too tiny? What to say? Two tiny things on each dial. Is that some Audi specific thing I've been missing? Or what's the deal? So we're cruising home now, very efficient, even below the speed limiter. Maybe we should increase it to the speed limiter. We have the Panamera. We have the cruise control active. And we can have some different views. Radio stations, efficiency, and in this mode I don't think even you can see which gear it is in. Doesn't look like it. Just says E for efficiency. Interesting. So I'm gonna continue to talk a little bit when we come out on the highway. So it really sounds a lot less when in efficient mode. It's actually discreet. Anyway, like that the pedals comes with you when you turn. Okay, what the hell? We can just go. This is a merging lane. Anyway, add cruise control on this sucker. So we have cruise control. It's actually kind of reminds me about the old A8 style where a little indicator comes up there, and actually also M5 E60 V10. So it was interesting. I saw the mirror flash there, checking the dead spot assist. So let's see. I wanted to show you some more of the different views. So you could have the map there. You could have time and date. Kind of quite Audi standard, I would say. And then you can do this, and then this, and then really focus on finding your way, which is not bad. I mean, and then you could also add a classic screen here, navigation, oh sorry, there. So we have dual navigation. Well, not dual navigation, but dual screens. I would prefer actually to have navigation down here as well, or like buttons for the navigation on this one, and not just get rid of that for climatization purposes. And then if we push our little RS mode button, it's a different story. So boom, and then we could choose this different information in this little window. So I can actually get the map in sport mode as well. And this window I could also choose to get, I could actually choose to kill it. Why can't I show limited view now? Oh yeah, okay, sorry, it was a bit too dark. Now, pretty nice. This is kind of sporty. I mean, my wish would be to just get the like LP560 graphic. No, LP750 graphic. That would be awesome. But I guess it's not possible. But still, this is quite racy. And it's a million times better than the M5 facelift. I mean, come on. How could BMW not make you have a choice in your display? It's just insane. It's just so sad with the facelift M5. I mean, it's like kind of unusable in instrumentation. I haven't used it, but I want the old round dials with red needles. I've had it for 25 years, BMW. Anyway, I'm going in at RS6 now, so I don't have the problem. But it's like, Jesus Christ, what have they done? But let's talk about Audi. Maybe I've got the Audi virus. Anyway, I like this. This is, I mean, on the Porsche 911 Turbo I always had